Hello children, how are you all? Hope you are all doing fine and in good health. Children, all of you, please stay safe. Today I have come up with the concluding part of the chapter. You know which is this chapter? Yes, you might have recognized with this platter which is kept here. Food and Health Week. I told you that model school is celebrating their Food and Health Week. Different groups had talked about different foods. Okay, so let's go for the next part of this lesson. Page number 36. We were doing page number 36. We had completed before this particular line. Susan talks about vegetarians and non-vegetarians that we had not taken. Just before that, we had completed. What were the last two lines? To stay healthy and strong, we should eat balanced meals. This means that we should eat foods from different groups. So children, I have the picture of balanced meals. Your food should always contain foods from different groups. Which are the different groups? Energy giving food, body building food, isn't it? Do you remember? And protective food. So energy giving food gives us energy, body building food helps us to grow, and protective food helps our body from diseases. So this is what we were doing. So balanced food should contain all varieties of food. So here you can have chapati, salad, you can have a chicken curry, you can have paneer curry, you can have a dessert, some gulab jamuns, you can have dals, pulses, everything. So this is the picture of a balanced diet or balanced food. You should have food from different groups. Okay children, so I told you to remain healthy you should have foods from different groups, balanced food. Okay, hope you all are taking. Okay, so let's take page number 36. Page number 36. Susan talks about vegetarians and non-vegetarians. This is where we had stopped. Just before this we had stopped and we have to continue from this. Let's see. Susan talks about vegetarians and non-vegetarians. Do you know that some people eat only milk products, grains, fruits and vegetables? You already know who are they. They are called vegetarians. Let us see some images. Bread, chapati, cheese, ghee, curd, milk, grains, then all type of balanced food they can easily have. Every type of food, naan, salad, rice, gulab jamun, paneer curry, and then they can have potato curry or any other dal. Everything they can have, and along with fruits, all type of fruits vegetarian people can have: pineapple, melon, lemon, peach, grape, cherry, apple, banana, etc. But they would not consume chicken, eggs or meat. Okay children, hope you understood who are called vegetarians. Children, now let us see who are called non-vegetarians or what do they consume. Non-vegetarians, they can have both vegetarian food and also they can have the non-vegetarian food. Non-vegetarian food means they can have chicken, meat, eggs along with grains, pulses, potatoes, milk products, etc. Okay, few images of non-veg foods. Egg curry, meat, milk, cheese, chicken, curd, ghee. Along with this, they can also have other foods like potatoes, rice, chapati, naan, paratha, whatever they want. So they can easily consume all animal products along with grains, pulses, energy giving foods are there, like milk, butter and etc. All these things they can have. So they can have best of both the worlds. There are others who eat milk products, grains, fruits, vegetables, eggs and meat. They are called non-vegetarians. Okay children, so they are called as non-vegetarians. So maklai, today in the concluding part, I taught you about the comparison between vegetarians and non-vegetarians. Children, many of the concepts you might already be knowing. I hope you understood this chapter. This chapter is interesting and helpful to us. This I had told you while I had started. So by now you might be thinking, yeah, what Miss told was right. So please keep yourself healthy, eat everything, eat healthy and stay safe. Okay children? So I hope you enjoyed this lesson. So with this we end this lesson of ours. Which lesson of ours? Lesson number 6. This brings us to the conclusion of this lesson. Okay children? All of you stay happy. Bye bye children.